Got a Tesla here and a LS swap here and a LS swap here. Walking out of work, and the radar looks like it's going to be all around us. Rain, I don't know if it's going to rain or not, so we're going to try to have it. If it rains, so be it. We'll hop in the car for a minute, but it is quitting time and time to get on to the car meet. And walk down to the lower lot, and that is some very different lines on these. It actually looks pretty cool. You have a new Miata, a C6 Corvette, and a Mustang with a carbon front end on it. Very different lines. May have spoke too soon about the rain. We'll find out. I got about an hour and a half till the show starts, so maybe it'll rain its guts out. Well, we just got to Angels, which I always do early to go do a few things inside and check on some things, but it's almost dry over here. I just left work. As soon as I pulled out, just dumped rain, so we may be okay over here. I don't know. It's nice. It's a little bit less clouds over here than my work, which is about 10 minutes away, so maybe, just maybe, we can pull this off. Don't know what the crowd is going to look like because a lot of people do not get out in the rain, so we will find out here shortly. Steering wheel. Gary just got the 65 running. We're going for a ride on a new chassis, different engine, but still the same engine, right? Yeah. We're going for a ride. For those that hadn't seen Gary's truck, this is a 65 F100. He moved the manual back down to the floor where it should be. Not that 3 on the tree is not fun, but I get my AC on. Yeah,
it needs it. Actually, it's one of the things I would do to it eventually. Go this way, I guess. But the steering on this thing, my God. That motor is so quiet, you can't hear it.
I was about to say.
Is it still running? This is why I wanted to put a tachometer in it so I can tell, because I can't tell.
Needs a cherry bomb on it, Gary.
No. It's kind of neat having it quiet.
Yeah. Got a Tesla here and another Tesla here. Got a Tesla here and a LS swap here and a LS swap here. Got Big Daddy serving up food as usual. Good stuff from them. We also have O-Town ice cream out. We appreciate them coming out as well.